Alright. Hi you guys, welcome to my channel, welcome back. I am going to be making over this dresser today. I got it from Goodwill for 40 bucks. I absolutely adore the handles on it. I will not be painting those, I'm going to take them off, but I am painting the dresser and I'm doing a paint that I have not done yet. I'm using a paint that I have not used yet on my channel. So if you want to see what I do, stick around. Let's get into it. I am using Super Clean 16 parts Super Clean to, no, 1 part Super Clean, 16 parts water. And I got this guy. It's a scrubby thing. I got it from the Dollar Tree for not $1 probably anymore. But a lot of stains on the top. Don't know what they are. Probably won't be able to get them out. But I'm not too worried about it. I just want to get the grease and grime off. Just want to say a massive thank you, you guys. The love and comments that you gave me in last week's video really touched my heart. I try my very best to answer all of your comments. I most definitely 100% read every single one, and sometimes it just takes me a little while to get around to answering everybody's because there are a lot, and that is a really nice problem to have. So when I say leave me a comment, I really mean it. I enjoy interacting with you guys. This is fast becoming a great community of positivity and encouragement, and I'm here for it and hope that you are as well. Okay. STARBOND thin and clear. Have the accelerator, and instead of spraying the accelerator on that glue, I spray it on the other side. Okay, I'm using old-fashioned milk paint. I got this from a subscriber and I am finally getting to use it. Thank you so much. Okay, 1 scoop of the milk paint. I think I'm gonna need 2. Yeah, possibly, who knows. Okay. So, equal parts warm water. Okay. With the milk paint, you want to do nice long brush stroke. Oh, flippin' heck. With the milk paint, you want to do nice long brush strokes. You don't have to go from one end of the drawer to the other, but maybe on your final stroke do that, but nice long ones. You're not doing like crisscross motion, nice long brush strokes. That's what they say on the instructions, and I'm following instructions. I know, shock horror, because I don't know about this milk paint. This is all new to me. Initial impressions of the milk paint. I really like it. It is very cool. It's really hard to describe. I mean, it's definitely waterier, which you would think if it was more watery that it would be more transparent, but that jet black, it's very black. They are not lying. I really like it. It looks really good. Going to let that dry. Then I'm going to come back in and do a second coat. If you're enjoying this video and you're feeling in a lovey-dovey mood, you can hit that thumbs up. That would be amazing. I will send you a virtual hug. Carrie got mine last week. Hey, I'm back. It's not very chippy. I thought it would be chippy already, but I guess not. I don't know. This is I really like the milk paint. Now I've used Rust-Oleum's milk paint that you get in the can. It's already liquid, it's mixed up. I imagine that has Ultra Bond in it. That never chips. I've used that in several colors and chipping never happened. I have seen Jamie Ray from Jamie Ray Vintage use milk paint, and she gets some really good chip on her milk paint. And it's a different brand though. I forget the brand. Anyway, it's on her website, jamierayvintage.com. The brand that I got, I can't read what that says. New glasses are coming. Whatever the brand that I used is not bad. It just didn't chip like I've seen Jamie's do. But once I went to town on it with the sander, it looks really good. I'm really happy with it. It's a smooth, silky to the touch paint. Okay. There's some distressing happening. Really nice. I really like that. Anyway, it's coming together how I wanted it to. I wanted it to look chippy and vintage. Vintage dresser, chippy looking paint. That's the state of my hand. I need to wipe it down now with a damp cloth, and then I'm going to seal it. And I have my DIY clear wax. I'm just going to use that. I love that wax. It smells like you could eat it. I'm just going to do that all over the body, leave it to dry, and then come back and buff it. The top, I'm going to do something different. Waiting on that. It'll probably arrive next week, and then I'll finish up, and I'll see you in a week. Thank you to the team at Gather. So I got this from their Etsy store. They are also on Facebook and Instagram and have their own website, and of course the Etsy store. Thank you so much, you guys. I will post a link to their Etsy shop and this stamp that I got from them below. Played with it a little. I think this is the setup that I want for right now, and it's a good starting point at least, because it's just mostly the right hand side and it's still, all of this is empty. So once I stamp that and put some maybe up the top up here, I'll just feel it out as I go. DIY paint in black velvet. So I'm going to put it on with the sponge and then probably experiment and roll over it with this, because I don't want to oversaturate the stamp. And then the top, I mean, I can always sand it back because this is solid wood. I'm not worried about veneer. If you would like to try black velvet yourself, you can go and click my affiliate link down below. That lets Debbie know that you saw my video and wanted to give her paint a try. Okay, let's see. I don't know, this might be a moot point rolling over it, but there. And wrap it. Should get my other rolly thing. Okay. I moved it a little bit. Let's see. Oh! Okay. Oh, I love it. Look at that goodness. Alright, let's keep going. If you guys have been thinking about doing painting furniture, painting something at home, or even trying to flip a piece, and you've been scared of criticism or negativity or putting yourself out there, I just want to share that every single week I put myself out there and I receive a lot of encouragement and positivity. Even when people don't necessarily like that I paint pieces, some people are kind, but there are people who are negative and unkind and say the most heinous things to people that they don't even know over pieces of furniture, which is mind-boggling to me that a human can attack another human over something that doesn't have breath or life. It's a piece of wood. But anyway, I want to encourage you. I'm not telling you this so you feel sorry or sad for me. Don't. Not at all. I'm telling you this to encourage you to be brave and jump and take the leap and do it and give it a try. Paint a piece of furniture for yourself. Paint it for a friend or a relative. Just do it, you guys. Don't worry about the negative people. There are always going to be negative people, sadly. And I hope that you find in this community that we're building here at Vintage and Painted that we are positive and we have kind things to say to each other, even when we might not agree on how a piece should be finished. Kindness matters more over all of it. Next week's makeover is not going to be a Saturday video. Make sure that you hit subscribe and the bell notification. You'll get notified when it goes up. It's going to be a Sunday video, which will be Monday for my Aussie fam. I am participating in a challenge. It's been a hot minute, you guys, since I have done a challenge. I kind of stepped back from that for a little bit, but I'm joining in. Hosted by Crystal over on the Crafty Creech DIYs and Twitch over on Creep Designs by Twitch. They are hosting next week's challenge, which is on Sunday, the 23rd. Leave me a comment below and let me know what you think of this piece and maybe how you would have done it differently. I'm always open to a conversation about ideas that other people have about how a piece should look. I don't think there's anything wrong with those kind of conversations. I love you guys to pieces. Thank you so much for watching this far. You are my people and I love you to pieces. And I will see you on the next piece. If you enjoyed this makeover, you might like this one. Bye you guys. Love ya.